how to use the verb I work, δουλεύω, in everyday sentences. In the present, future, and past tenses. The present tense. I work. δουλεύω. You work, singular. δουλεύεις. He, she, or it works. δουλεύει. We work. δουλεύουμε. You work, plural form. δουλεύετε. They work. δουλεύουν. Here are sample sentences in the present tense. I work in an office. δουλεύω σε γραφείο. Do you work many hours a day? δουλεύεις πολλές ώρες τη μέρα? He works at the school. δουλεύει στο σχολείο. We work every day. δουλεύουμε κάθε μέρα. Do you work together? δουλεύετε μαζί? They work for a company. δουλεύουν για μια εταιρεία. The future tense with the particle θα. I will work. Θα δουλέψω. You will work, singular. Θα δουλέψεις. He, she, or it will work. Θα δουλέψει. We will work. Θα δουλέψουμε. You will work, plural form. Θα δουλέψετε. They will work. Θα δουλέψουν. Here are sample sentences in the future tense. I will work tomorrow. Θα δουλέψω αύριο. Will you work on Saturday? Θα δουλέψεις το Σάββατο. She will work in a company. Θα δουλέψει σε εταιρεία. We will work at the office. Θα δουλέψουμε στο γραφείο. Will you work many hours? Θα δουλέψετε πολλές ώρες. They will work on the project. Θα δουλέψουν στο έργο. The past tense. I worked. δούλεψα. You worked, singular. δούλεψες. He, she, or it worked. δούλεψε. We worked. δουλέψαμε. You worked, plural form. δουλέψατε. They worked. δούλεψαν. Here are sample sentences in the past tense. I worked yesterday. δούλεψα χθες. Did you work on Saturday? δούλεψες το Σάββατο? She worked in a company. δούλεψε σε εταιρεία. We worked in the office. δουλέψαμε στο γραφείο. You worked many hours. Δουλέψατε πολλές ώρες. They worked all day. Δούλεψαν όλη μέρα. Γεια σας. My name is George Lambrou and thank you for practicing with 1 Hour Language. Check out the next video in the series for more practice.